In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Instagram message notifications not showing up. So, for example, when you receive messages in the DM or whatever, you don't receive any notifications or anything. So first, you wanna go to your profile page here, and then you wanna click at the top right. And then you wanna scroll down and click notifications, and make sure pause all is turned off like this. And then go to messages and make sure all of these are turned on. Message requests is on, message from individual is on, this is message reminders from everyone, group requests on, channel invites on. Make sure all of these are on. I'll just keep this one on. Channel replies from everyone, channel replies on. So after you have everything on here, you want to go to your phone settings now. So now you want to leave this app and go to settings, and then you want to go to the search bar and click apps, type in apps. So here you will see apps. Click on apps and search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. And then here you want to click on notifications and make sure allow notifications is turned on. Go into message requests and make sure all of these are turned on, and go back and go into messages, make sure all of these are also turned on. And now let me just leave this. So here, if this didn't fix it, you might actually want to update your Instagram app. So if you go to the Play Store, you might want to see if it has an update. If it doesn't, so if this didn't fix your problem, then you want to go to the settings again. Click on the settings and then go and click apps, type in apps again. So here, click on apps and search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. Then you want to go to storage, and you want to basically clear the data and the cache. So I'm just gonna clear cache and data. So here it's gonna delete this app, and it will basically, I'll have to reinstall it again. So here I'll just go back. I will just leave this page, and now hopefully this should fix your problem. If this didn't help, then your last try is to just uninstall Instagram and install it again, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.